Doctors are closely monitoring the scrub fungus outbreak, but recommend you continue to follow proper hand washing and social distancing guidelines.
Will do, Wendy, and our thoughts are certainly with those who have been hospitalized.
And now it's time for our daily Beastly Report.
I love these, Wendy.
Me too, Alicia. Let's check in with our roving Magi zoologists currently on their week-long expedition to Gwinnett County, Georgia. Beatrix?
Thank you, Alicia and Wendy, and greetings to you from fabulous fields and forests of Gwinnett, where the land teems with a rich variety of wildlife from all classifications. With me, as always, is my amateur assistant, Kendra Rabnott. Kendra has been learning a great deal this week, and I believe she's ready to encounter a wildlife specimen from the classification XXXX.
What?
Yeah, this week we're on a quest to find the elusive and dangersome, terrible and treacherous hide behind. Kendra, illuminate our viewers on this sinister species.
Okay, the hide behind is native to North America. It is the hybrid of a demiguise and a ghoul. Hide behinds are nocturnal and said to resemble a skinny bear with silver fur, but may also be able to shapeshift.
Right you are. Very good. Will you kindly wear this stocking cap for me?
Okay.
Do go on.
Okay. The hide behind can be found in forests and can contort itself to fit behind trees, rocks, and other natural features.
Fascinating, truly. This is riveting stuff. I can see you've done your homework, Kendra. Say, while you elaborate further, would you mind wearing this checked flannel shirt for me?
I guess. Maybe. The hide behind hides so that it can sneak up on and ambush its preferred prey, human beings. It is most often drawn to attack lumberjacks.
Excellent, excellent. So would you be so good as to hold this axe for me?
The hide behind kills, disembowels, and eats. Hey!
Yes? What seems to be the problem?
Are you dressing me up as lumberjack bait?
No. What a thought! I just thought, you needed a hand with. I needed a hand with an axe. You have a very vivid imagination on you, Kendra. Say, while we're chatting, would you mind donning this false beard for me?
Forget it. I like my intestines where they are, thank you very much.
Kendra, it's all for the science! The best way to study the hide behind is to lure it from behind its place of concealment. Kendra, think of the science!
My, I'm not sure I'd want to see a hide behind up close.
Better to see it close than to have it close and not see it.
Too true, Alicia, too true. This has been all the news on Quibbler TV. I'm Wendy Lestrange.
And I'm Alicia Dawlish. Good night.